Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to view an old reel that you've shared on Instagram by date on your PC, thanks to a new update. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram account on your computer. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your activity on Instagram. Now, look for the Photos and Videos section, and then click on the Reels section. Here, you'll be able to see all of the reels that you have shared on your account. If you want to see your reels by date, click on the Sort and Filter option. This will allow you to enter a start date and an end date for the period of the reel that you want to view. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply to see the reels that were shared during that time frame, and there you have it. You can now easily view your old reels on Instagram on your PC by date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram. See you next time.